This is the work breakdown structure presentation for the second group project. What is WBS? Work breakdown structure is a map outlining a project. It is used to plan each of the different things you want to accomplish in your project. It's essentially a rough draft or a map to your project. Who uses WBS? We do. Our group is using WBS to show what we want to accomplish on our study abroad trip, different milestones and goals we want to do on that trip, and it's easily laid out in this WBS. It also allows us to individualize tasks so that we can be effective as possible. Um, this lets us all break away and work on our own time to get these things done, and when we bring them together, they will all align. Where is WBS used? It is used in finding scope. The whole point of a project is to get to the end result. If you do not know what that is, then you're wasting your time. Having a scope allows all members to see the path and allows leaders to track the path. Our scope is to plan a trip to Australia that is enjoyable and educational. Why WBS is used? It is used because it is clear and concise. There's little room for error when looking at the table. The goals and all the other tasks are clearly laid out for no miscommunication. It lays out past, present, and future tasks, depending on where you're at in the project, of course, so that everyone's on the same page. When is WBS used? It can be used for anyone in project planning or project management. The ability to lay out all of your standards, milestones, and final result is very helpful when looking at it from a big picture, and especially with large groups. Getting everyone on the same page is half the battle. So having it clearly laid out for everyone and then knowing where you're at and where you need to be and what they need to do is going to be very, very effective in actually completing that. So here is ours. This is for a study abroad trip to Sydney. So we have academic, culture, social, project management, and other. Um, each of those are broken down into subsections, as you can see, and that is how we are going to accomplish those different goals on our trip.